Yeah, I say, you must find out, yeah, here, become a Christian, but will be quietly. You have to know where you have to find out. You know what I know, this life road and let me, we can walk it. Yeah, but you don't know the find out. That's all right.